Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So Ethereum moved up here in a wave 1. That is currently from the low, a first impulse to the upside. It came down in a wave 2. It, in my opinion, still is in a wave 3. Yeah, it looks a bit different to the Bitcoin chart now with the latest decline. Yeah, because here we have other probabilities. So it is currently in a wave 3 here to the upside in white still. That's currently what I have to assume. But within the white wave 3, we have completed only the wave 1, and we're now in a wave 2. So we are basically in the wave 2 of wave 3, which means we are in a corrective wave within a larger uptrend. Okay, so this is how it currently unfolds. So in the previous video, I gave you the view that here, this correction of the wave 2 could already be complete based on the two things, basically, that the wave Y here completed the minimum requirement for a wave Y, which was the length of the wave W, yeah, complete. And we also could count 3 waves, A, B, C, and we broke out above the wave B. Based on that, I have to come to the conclusion that this wave 2 could be complete if a breakout above the wave B happens. Now, we didn't have a breakout above the wave B, not a substantial one. As you can see, we did move up. We held above it, yeah, but this was the key level, 12.15. As I said to you in the previous video, we need to hold 12.15. Yeah, it needs to be a substantial breaking of that wave B level. So that always means we go above it, we retest it successfully and start to move from here. As you can see, we had an engulfing red candle, so absolutely didn't hold it, and this is not bullish. That to me indicates now I have to go to the next likely option, which means wave 2 is just not finished yet. Because it is possible to count it like that, yeah, very clearly. So the wave Y only in the previous video had reached the minimum requirement. We can now look at the ideal requirement, the ideal retracement level, or the ideal length, yeah, of this, basically the wave Y here. Yeah. So what does that mean? That means two things. That means the ABC wasn't finished. That means we're still waiting for the wave C to be finished. Wave B was then probably up here. This here was just a larger B wave, ABC in itself. And we are now in that wave Y, still off, or in the wave C, off the wave Y, off the wave 2. Okay. There are 2 levels to watch out for now. One level is the length of the wave C. So one level to calculate, one target level is to calculate the wave C length is we take the length of the wave A, we add it to the beginning of the wave C, and then we're looking at the 1.618 Fibonacci extension level. That is $1,130. That is now a key target level that we look at here. That is one of them, and I'll mark it on the chart, $1,130. The other target would be the 1.618 extension level of the wave W. So this is basically here in green, the target. You always get usually more than one target, because there are usually more points than just one point from where you can actually calculate the target. So W, we take the wave W length, and where do we get to here? This would give us 1093 as a target, or maybe let me just do that a bit more accurately here. Yeah, no, that should be fine. And that gives me 1096. So the 1.618 Fib extension of the wave W. So somewhere either at 1130 or at 1096, we should finish off this wave 2. So either here or here. But I'm also telling you very clearly, should we go below these levels, then I would nearly say this is not going to work out any longer, okay? And then we can probably put a bit more focus on a bearish wave count here, because if it doesn't turn around here, then we'll just get quite unlikely that it is still this wave count 1, 2. Then we would have to think about, was this here a wave 1? Yeah, the wave 2 was never finished, like on the Bitcoin chart, and all of this was just an A, B, C. But I have to tell you very clearly how high this is it's just very unlikely that this is a wave B, especially as this was a 5-wave move up. I would have my problems with that, and therefore I would rather then be in favor of that we're actually in the bearish scenario. Yeah, have to say that. So either we are turning around here now at the latest at $1,096. At the very latest, it would need to be here at 1,042. But if we go below that, then I think all hope is lost here for now. Maybe a bit too drastic, but then I would say we're probably going to see the 880 again. And there will be then a risk that we drop below it and could then go down all the way to $615. Yeah, so I have to tell you very clear that from the beginning here, I told you that for any successful breakout, I mean, this is a breakout attempt, absolutely, yeah. The price has a chance to turn around, and we see here definitely an effort to start to break out, yeah. We can count this bullish, absolutely. What we have to do, and I told you that from the beginning, despite all, you know, the price structure and everything, which can be bullish based on an impulse and everything, we also always need price confirmation. Yeah, you have to take key resistance levels out to just invalidate certain bearish wave counts. And this is here, that red area between 1255 and 1280. We did not get above this level. So for now, the downside risk is just still there, and the price is struggling. I have to say that as well. Yeah, Bitcoin as well, but here Ethereum for now as well. So we'll keep observing this, and I'll keep you updated here about the latest wave count and latest developments, and then we can take it from there. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.